If your Honda throws the warning keyless remote not detected, it means that the fob wasn't properly registered in the car. It will still let you drive since it lets you open and start the vehicle, but the warning will be constantly there on the dash. The quick solution is to stop the vehicle, turn it off, and then hold the fob near the engine start button for several seconds. After that, just start the car and the message should be gone. In 99% of cases, you will just need the new key fob battery, which is the CR2032 battery type in these fobs. Also, replacing it is a DIY job that will take you 2 minutes, so no need to pay for it. Just watch a YouTube video showing you how to do this for the specific type of key that you have. You may want to know that the average lifespan of the batteries in the keyless entry fobs is 1 year, since they keep sending the signals constantly. So even if you don't use the fob much, the battery will degrade very fast. The only other reason you can see this message is when something interferes with the keyless entry system antenna and doesn't allow it to catch the signal from your key fob. I've seen this happen once near a military object, and people also reported such behavior near strong radio antennas. In this case, just press the start button with the fob and drive away. Once you're out of this area, the keyless system will start working properly.